Guys, so the last colorway to come out of the Yeezy 500, we've got the Stone Taupe here. I picked these up from GOAT. Love the Yeezy 500. I gotta say, I dig it more than the 700. It's my favorite dad shoe, as they're known. And it's just a clean colorway. It's basically white, a little bit of beige, and gum. With a gum outsole. They look clean. So, yeah, we're gonna check them out, and I'm probably gonna rock them today. Let's kick it. So again, standard Yeezy box, 500. Again, these came from GOAT, have been authenticated. Obviously, they're from overseas. Yeezy 500. Let's just grab one of these bad boys because that's all we really need is one to take a look at. That's clean. That's clean look. Thick cuts of a very fuzzy, hairy suede material. We have premium leather overlay panels going throughout with additional suede panels, thick mesh panels as well. Just premium materials, Adiprene Plus foam going all the way around the midsole. Then we have that beautiful gum outsole. Chunky stuff. Look, it's not Adidas Boost, but it's still very cushy, very comfortable. It's like this beige-like color scheme to white and gum. Very versatile. Has the infinity lacing system, which seems to be a little bit looser than others that I have with the infinity. Like, that's too much lace. Because it's not like I can loosen them more and tightening. So, like, that's kind of stupid. Not really too happy about that. I'd rather just have the normal laces and have the little factory knot than have this like that, because I would want them to kind of be more like, you know, to where it's sitting closer. But I mean, it kind of is what it is here. We have the Yeezy Adidas Ortholite insole in here. Different density foam pads in the archway. Then on the heel and forefoot says Adidas Yeezy Ortholite. And then it's actually a pretty stiff, sounds like a piece of TPU in there underneath the Strobel. But underneath that is this very kind of bouncy Adiprene Plus, which again, I think is a great foam from them, an underappreciated foam. So, very clean look dad shoe, as they're known, of the dad shoes from the Yeezy line. The 500 is definitely the one for me. The toe down view is money to me. And speaking of the toe down view, let's check these out on feet.